I, Vasundhara Shukla, Assistant Professor in Electrical Electronics Department. Today, we discuss the topic of modulation. First, we discuss what is modulation or definition of modulation, then need of modulation, then types of modulation, and last, application of modulation. First, what is modulation? Modulation is a process by which some characteristics of signal known as carrier is varied according to the instantaneous value of signal is called modulating signal. The signal containing information is called modulating signal or baseband signal. Baseband signal is a low frequency signal and carrier frequency is always high frequency signal. The signal after modulation is called modulated signal. For modulation process, it is essential that carrier frequency is always greater than modulating signal. Now we discuss need of modulation. The message signal cannot be transmitted directly through communication channel, so we need modulation. The reason for modulation is first is height of antenna. The message signal has a low frequency signal. When we use free space as a communication media, messages are transmitted and received with the help of antenna. The antenna height radiates effectively when its size of order of wavelength. We know that c equals to mu lambda, where c is the speed of light, mu is the frequency, and lambda is the wavelength. Since frequency of message signal is less, so its wavelength will be large, and antenna height automatically high. When we take the message signal in hertz or kilohertz range, antenna height become kilometer range. So it would be impracticable to construct install such height antenna. After modulation with a high frequency carrier, frequency will be large and hence less wavelength and antenna height will be reduced. Next reason is energy. Message signal has a less frequency signal. According to the formula E equals to h mu, where h is the Planck's constant and mu is the frequency. When frequency is less, energy will be less. So, signal will not be able to travel long distance. They will die because of less energy. After modulation with high frequency carrier, frequency will be large. So, automatically energy will be more, and with increase in frequency, signal can travel long distance. Next reason is multiplexing. Different message signal can be transmitted over same channel without interference using multiplexing technique. These are the reason we use modulation. Now we discuss types of modulation. Modulation is basically classified in two parts. First is analog modulation and second is digital modulation. Analog modulation is a process of transferring analog baseband signal, that is low frequency signal, over a high frequency signal such as radio frequency band, whereas digital modulation involve transmission of binary signal, that is 0 and 1. Analog modulation is further classified in three parts: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. And digital modulation is also classified in three parts: amplitude shift key, frequency shift key, and phase shift key. Next, we discuss amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is a process in which amplitude of carrier is varied accordance with the instantaneous value of modulating signal. जब भी हम किसी भी मॉड्यूलेशन की बात करते हैं तो हमेशा कैरियर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वेरी होती है। कैरियर का यदि एम्पलीट्यूड वेरी होता है इनपुट सिग्नल के अकॉर्डिंग तो उसको हम कहते हैं एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन। नाउ वी डिस्कस द वेव फॉर्म ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन। Amplitude of carrier is varied according to the modulating signal. So the resultant signal is modulated signal, that is amplitude modulated signal. When frequency of carrier is varied according to the modulating signal, it is called as frequency modulated signal. Next is phase modulation. When phase of carrier is varied according to the modulating signal, that is called as phase modulated signal. Now we discuss advantage, disadvantage and application of modulation. First is amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation advantage, it its hardware design of both transmitter and receiver is very simple and less cost. And disadvantage is that it is very susceptible to noise and its application found in AM radio broadcast. Next we discuss frequency modulation advantage, disadvantage and application. Frequency modulation advantage is that it doesn't catch any channel noise, and disadvantage, its circuitry is more complicated than AM system and its application found in FM radio broadcast. Next we discuss phase modulation advantage, disadvantage and its application. Phase modulation advantage is that doesn't catch any channel noise, and disadvantage is that again its circuitry is more complicated than AM and FM system and its application found in satellite communication.